is not enough. The veggie is... I think we can get around 20. Ta-da! It's bakwan! So we got 2 types of sambal. Of texture for the dish. So we're gonna buy the ingredients to make bakwan, which is Indonesian veggie fritter. We're gonna also make Melinjo cracker. We're gonna fry the Melinjo cracker. And we forgot the pecel, so we're not gonna make pecel. Yeah, damn it. This is one of the biggest market in this region. We're gonna get some ingredients for us to eat for the next few days because probably we're gonna cook in Batangas. I'm gonna make bakwan as I told you, so we're gonna get the things here too. They're moving.
We will grill the tilapia.
This one?
Yeah.
This is tilapia?
Yeah.
Salamat po. So we almost got everything. I got with me some veggies for bakwan and then also the meat over here. We also got isda, which is fish. But we're still looking for flour, vegetable oil, and some other things. This is now 6 p.m. It's still pretty bright out here. I just woke up from a nap after working for a little bit. Still in Batangas, Philippines, and we're going to make dinner. I'm ready to cook. I'm ready to cook. Yes.
What do you need? Bawang? Bawang merah, bawang putih.
Yes, so we need to chop bawang merah, bawang putih, the shallot and garlic. We can chop this finely as well.
Okay.
For the bean sprout, we just need to boil it. And then also the corn, we get the kernels out. And then we mix them together with the mixture.
Okay. Here's the chopping board. Yan, salamat madam. Mince, no?
Yes. It doesn't have to be very fine.
I think the...
So I'll also clean this one. Just mix everything here. Mix, mix, mix. That's okay. We have flour, no? I like cooking outdoor because I don't mind if it's like
messy.
Yeah. It's like, okay, that's fine. It's biodegradable. So you got mixture over here. It's actually so many. So I'm going to make the mixture here because this one is not enough. The veggie is almost all the way up. This is the pre-packed mixture from Indonesia. Just put it here. But I know it's not going to be enough, so we're going to add more flour and other seasonings as well, like shallots and also garlic. In. Uy. So basically, bakwan is a vegetable fritter, and this is the flour or the dough that we're going to use. And there are a lot of different veggies inside. You deep fry them until everything is caramelized. That's all. It has to reach that consistency where it's a bit goopy. So it's not watery like this. Oh, do we have any more flour?
Huh? This is the last.
The last, okay. It's too watery lah. The consistency needs to be thicker. Okay.
Nakashoot siya ng apat, kakaganyan niya.
I think we have too many veggies. I'm tired. My hand. So we're gonna deep fry this.
Oh, kakaikot ka lang.
Tipo, you can mix a bit more. So I think we can get around 20. I feel like. Okay, I'm gonna heat the oil.
Yeah.
I thought they had started already. So I'm cooking this until it reaches golden brown color. Then we'll flip it. So the idea is that you caramelize all of the veggies, especially the cabbage. So it will be crispy on the outer layer, but still a bit soft and fluffy on the inside. And you have different type of veggies, so different textures as well here. It's gonna be savory, and we usually pair it with fresh chili on the side. But I don't think we have it today, so it's just gonna be like this. More plates. I think we can just pile them, make it a mountain. Ooh! So this is the color that we want on these sides. Yum. They're playing billiards over there, so it's a bit rowdy. Strain it a bit. Move it here. Ta-da! It's bakwan. Can you try that first?
Yeah.
So we can correct the taste. We're gonna taste test first. Bakwan! It's very hot. Careful. Wanna try?
If it's not too hot.
Ikaw mo! Binabati mo kasi.
Yummy? I think it needs more salt, a little bit more.
No,
It's okay.
No?
it's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah. I think the powder gives more flavor. It's fried, but it feels like fresh also.
Really?
Yeah.
Good then.
At least the
Yeah, we want that like
Mima.
soft in the middle, crispy on the outer.
Yummy.
Yummy? Wee! Sarap!
bakwan powder. I think you need to bring more.
I need to bring more.
Yeah.
Mag-aabol lang yun.
It's nice because it's like smoky, no?
Yeah.
Is this vegan?
Yeah.
That is vegan.
This one bawang also
That one is also vegan.
vegan. This both vegan.
Everything I brought everything for you. Don't worry.
For Len,
For Len, exactly.
no la.
Are you the only one that's vegan here, or do we have anybody else?
Yeah. Finish.
Finished?
Sigat?
Seems like they like it. I'm happy. Indonesian has a lot of fritters like this, but this is one of my favorite. I think this is my favorite actually. Oh, open one of the sambal, and then what you gotta do is you dip the bakwan with the sambal.
Okay.
Ooh, this is sambal is chili sauce, but it's fresh one, so it's not industrialized. Usually, people in Indonesia they ground it using mortar and pestle.
Yan yun.
Alin?
Lalagay dito.
Sambal.
Sambal.
No, sambal.
Oh,
No, memory.
memories.
Filipino or
No. Ito ba? Sambal is their everyday dip
Exactly. It's our
in Indonesia.
main condiment in Indonesia. Second one coming through.
Oh, it's delicious. Yan ang sambal.
Sambal good? Great.
Did you make the sambal? No. You bought it?
Yes, I bought it.
We will finish this even before we start eating.
Well, I mean, this bakwan is usually an appetizer, so it's fine if you eat it before the main dish.
I will eat with my hands.
I will also eat with my hands. So we got two types of sambal. This is sambal bawang, which is from garlic and also fermented soybean. And this one, it is sambal korek. It's mainly really spicy chili oil and also fresh ground chili. So mixing together might be good. This one is not very spicy, not very spicy one.
Hindi ako naniniwala. Pero kailangan kong gawin.
Bakwan. I like the very spicy one, but I will take it lightly as well.
At all, pinatulog mo.
Sambal korek.
Oh, the best.
Diba?
Ano na rin yan? Oh, the tofu with sambal is really good.
Mm-hmm.
I did it earlier.
So for example, your budel fight, it's very similar to Indonesian West Java dish. It's fried things, right? But we don't have the pork. And then you have your dipping, this one, the soy sauce, vinegar, and also shibuyas. Yeah, we have sambal, exactly.
We experienced budel fight at Mara's house.
It's like my nostrils are clearing because of this.
Because of the spice.
Yeah, that's why I like it.
Wow, spicy.
Nakailang sabi na nga kayo.
No, yung sambal na ano ay yung blue.
Big sambal. How many
The blue
people
one.
are dependent on sambal? Sambal provider.
Sambal provider now.
Trust me, there are so many different sambals. These are not even the best ones.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, I think I will buy the chobek and
You will?
ulikan. Yeah. I will make the sambal for you.
Wow.
Is that the milkfish?
This is the milkfish and this is tilapia.
Oh,
I'm gonna
okay.
flip it over. Wow.
Wow, fried tilapia.
Bigyan mo dami. The other side. Wala siya sinabi kundi yung global star.
Rice with tilapia.
Ay, sorry. Nag-name drop ako. Maria. Lahat Maria.
Ay, sorry.
Pinamumukha nilang
Huwag muna
ano.
kayo
Good.
kasi
So this is the fish.
ano na lang.
Sambal.
Mamaya na lang sa
Super hot.
Sa MTRCB.
review na lang po.
Ah.
Bye, bye. May ka sa manghang?
Spicy, spicy. The milkfish, they fill it with
Yeah.
the tomato, shallots.
And then I have to, because
I
my
know.
nose.
So we are going to do some small karaoke while just chilling because it's our last night. I'm going to cook Indonesian cracker. It's called Melinjo cracker. Melinjo is a nut that is indigenous, I think, to Southeast Asia. So I know that we use it, but I have yet to know other countries in Southeast Asia use it too. It's just a bit of a research that I did. It's Southeast Asian nut. Melinjo, M-E-L-I-N-J-O. Uy, there's a bug. See, it's like this. It's pressed and it's sun-dried. See, it's already done. I gotta pick it up. Where is the tongue? Oh, this one. See, it's easy. Don't get it too brown. It should be like this, but less. So these are perfect, perfect, perfect. If only I can pick it up. Hello. Eee. Ah, gosh, it's gonna be like this. We're just gonna cook a bunch of it now that I see that it's working. Ow! Wait. So we use Melinjo with different kind of dishes. The most popular one being this one, and then we use it in soto. It's like a coconut-based soup with meats usually and other innards of the beef. But another one that we use it for is sayur asem, which is a clear sour soup. In the Philippines, actually, they do have it too. They call them sinigang. However, I know that they use meat as a protein, but in Indonesia, the sayur asem, it doesn't use any meat protein, but it uses a lot of nuts and beans instead. So Melinjo is not in the form of cracker for sayur asem, it's in the form of the nut. So you eat the nut itself. Can you hear that? Sounds pretty crispy to me. Super easy, super simple to cook. Just gotta need oil and find one of these in Indonesian supermarket and you're set. Goes so well with anything really. So the taste profile is actually bitter and it's very fragrant and nutty as well when you eat it. So it's good with salads, if you want to eat salad with it. It's good with soupy dishes because what you can do as well, you dip it until it's half wet, half crispy, and then you eat it. So it gives a lot of texture for the dish. Can you hear them doing the karaoke now? Okay, I'll do the rest, and then what we do is that we sprinkle some salt, we mix them up, and then it's ready to be eaten. So we got emping here. We're gonna season them just with salt. If only I can find the salt. I can, yes. It's here. I would say season them quite liberally, but slowly. Because otherwise, it's just gonna stay in one chip, then you'll die after you eat. Okay, I'm going to do a test with you right now. I'm gonna get something that is more brown because I like it that way. Which one? This one. You hear the crunch? More salt. Fragrant, aromatic, bitter, and a bit salty from the seasoning, which is the salt. This is so good with alcohol, to be honest. And I think we have some. Let's take them to the Pinoys. Chips.
Oh, wow! Thank you! Thank you so much. Oh, wow! Wow!
Try. Yes.
Yeah.
Really?
Made of what?
Melinjo cracker. Oh, from Melinjo nut. That's the end of the characterization.
Yeah. As 121.
121. Oh, they finished.